Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you one of the best deep fried garlic Parmesan turkey wings. And that's what we're going to be making. Deep fried garlic Parmesan turkey wing. Alright, so here's the turkey wings that I got here. Now with these turkey wings, I did brine mine for like 2 days in cold water and salt, okay? So first thing you want to do is just pat them dry. Okay, so I did it earlier and I'm going to pat them dry again. See if I can get some of this moisture off the bottom. That's all you want to do. You do want to get a little bit like room temperature a little bit. Alright, so I get this one over here. Some of this moisture off of here. Give me some more of this paper towel. Just kind of sit them over to the side. You just want to get this dry as possible. Okay, that's going to be good enough for me today. Alright, turn these over, skin side down. This is what we're going to do. Put that in there. Get some of this Sazon. These 2 packets of Sazon. Pick us some Tonys. This one is not, oh, it is open. I do have another one. It's a brand new one right here. You want to just take some of this, sprinkle that on there. Now, what you could do, but like I told you, I brine mine. If you don't brine it, you can just let this sit on there for, I don't know, about 2-3 hours. And then go from there. Okay. Make sure they got some more on it. So season to your discretion, guys. I'm just lightly seasoning this, okay? How was you guys 4th of July? Mine was awesome. I'm gonna put that up too. It was all right. We did our social distancing. All right. Okay, guys. That should be it. All right. Take these gloves off. Get some new ones. showing you guys how that looks. Alright. If you want to put some black pepper and some more seasoning on yours, you go right ahead. Alright. I do have some Old Bay and all the other stuff over there, but this is plain. I told you I marinated mine over about 2 or 3 days in some salt water. Alright. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and put this in there. And we're going to cook this for about, I'll say about 17 to about 20 minutes. Alright, on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. That thing should be up to temperature. Yep, it is. And the green light come on, that's when it's up to temperature. I'm just going to start easing these in there. Slowly. You do not want to go fast, guys. About 20 minutes. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm just going to go ahead and look at this, see what we got going on. So what we're going to do here is so we want that to crisp up, so we're just going to leave the lid off and let that finish cooking. Alright guys, okay guys, I'm back. There it is. Deep fried garlic Parmesan turkey wings. Alright. That's how they look. This plate heavy, so forgive me if I'm dropping. Yes, sir. There you go. From my home to yours. Right there. So, go ahead and end this real quick. Guys, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to, that's right, hit that so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thanks for tuning in a minute.